Hey, we're going to have a look at the G position for the C major scale now. So this is up starting on the 8th fret, and you start it with your pinky, okay? And it gets a bit stretchy, this one. So really good one to pick up your skills, I guess, on moving it up and down scales and on the neck. So we'll dive into it. So starting with your little finger up on that 8th fret. Now we move straight to the A string on the 5th, 7th, 8th. Okay. Then this is where we switch a little bit to our second finger back on that 5th. And that sets us up for when we get to the G. All right. And that is the 4th and 5th. And then your 9th turnaround note there is up on the 7th fret. So we go through that again. Root note, 5, 7, 8, down onto the D, second finger, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, going backwards. Now, you may like to, on that return, change it up. Okay, and move your first finger up there to set you up for this. Now, that can take a bit of practice to get down, and look, in the heat of the moment, speeding up that scale, I can't say that I use one way or another. So do keep in mind though, moving makes it a lot easier, especially if you're writing a riff or something in that. Okay, so we'll go through it. And again. All right, now the arpeggio for this is a stretch. It's really cool, but be warned. So, little finger on the root note, our 3rd on the 7th fret. Now we run back our second finger on the D on the 5th to our 7th note, which is on the 4th fret on the G. Okay, we can go back to the root note or out to the 9th if you like. So go through that again. All right, root note, 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th. Okay, now that you can't just sit there with that arpeggio unless you twist your hand into a bizarre shape. So it's not one that I'd recommend for doing fast runs, sweeps, but it is great for pulling out some nice little harmonious chords. So where you've got this 3rd, your 3rd and 5th, and your 5th and 7th. So say someone's strumming away in a C, going, I could put a nice little harmony in there. Or a little rhythm off that 9th. and you know you've still got the other half of that scale sitting there. All right, have a play around, come up with some riffs and some rhythms, see what works together. So let's get into playing that one. And I guess this one, if you practice it, it will really improve your playing just on that upper end of the guitar. So getting it together with the arpeggio is key. And again. Again. Once more. Okay, practice that one, come up with some riffs, and we'll see you next time.